Today, we're going to show you how to replace your Honda CR-V Key Fob battery. First thing you need to do is slide this little lever over to release the emergency key, and you then need to have a screwdriver, or if you're in a pinch, you can use that key, and you're just going to pry between these two little notches here, and that's going to open up the key. So we're going to pry, you hear it click apart, and then we need to replace the battery right here. It's a CR2032 battery. We've got links to those in the description below. You can help us out if you click on those. And then all you're going to do is go from the top here, and you're going to slide either the key edge in or a screwdriver, and you're going to remove the battery. You're going to take your new CR2032 battery. You can see that little light lights up. Then you're going to put the back of the Honda key fob back on, snap it in place, and take your emergency key, and now you're going to slide that in place as well. That is how you replace a Honda CR-V Key Fob battery. Thanks for watching. Please give us that thumbs up if this helped. Subscribe, or you can click the links below to that CR2032 battery to help us out. Thanks.